To align the doors of a freezer-on-bottom French door refrigerator, first make certain that the refrigerator is in its final position. On the ends of the grill, there are molded areas that jut out and cover the brake feet. To avoid possibly breaking the grill, grasp and hold the inside front edges of the brake foot covers firmly, pulling both ends toward you at the same time until the grill releases. Raise the front stabilizing brake feet located on each side of the refrigerator by turning counterclockwise until they are visibly off the floor. Depending on the model, there may be 2 or 4 adjustable rollers used to level the refrigerator. Each roller can be raised and lowered independently and has a corresponding adjustment screw at the base of the refrigerator. 1 adjustment screw on each side indicates the refrigerator has front rollers and is front leveling. 2 adjustment screws on each side indicate the refrigerator has front and rear rollers. The rear are for stabilizing and the front are for leveling. The outer adjustment screws are for the front rollers and the inner adjustment screws are for the rear rollers. Use a screwdriver or a 3/8-inch hex driver for most models to turn the roller adjustment screws on either side to raise or lower that side of the refrigerator. Referring to your use and care guide will confirm the appropriate size hex driver for your refrigerator model. Turning the adjustment screw to the right or clockwise lowers the roller and raises that side of the refrigerator. Turning the adjustment screw to the left or counterclockwise raises the roller and lowers that side of the refrigerator. If the left door is higher, as shown here, turn the right side front roller adjustment screw clockwise to raise that side of the refrigerator. If the right side door is higher, turn the left side front roller adjustment screw clockwise to raise that side of the refrigerator. It may take several turns of the roller adjustment screws to adjust the tilt of the refrigerator. Adjust each roller appropriately until the doors are level and close easily, making sure not to over-adjust, as this may cause the refrigerator to rock.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install the refrigerator. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Having a second person push firmly against the top front of the refrigerator should take some weight off the adjustment screws and rollers, making them easier to adjust. Once the refrigerator doors are level, lower the front stabilizing brake feet by turning clockwise until they are in firm contact with the floor. Turn the front adjustment screws on each side counterclockwise to retract the front rollers and lower the refrigerator, allowing the full weight of the refrigerator to rest on the stabilizing brake feet. Recheck the alignment to be sure it remains unchanged. Replace the front base grill by aligning the mounting clips with the slots in the cabinet and pushing firmly on both ends until the grill snaps into place.